You're amazing.
She's so even though I lost my cup at the end, I was like, shit, it's my shoe. Did you see that?
Kids' birthday parties, my bar mitzvah.
Work for hire.
Even just for one day, I'd roll out of bed in the morning, throw on what I wanted and go. Drink beer with the guys and chase after girls. I could get to the world and it will never be confronted for my dad stick up for me. If I were a boy, I think I could understand how it feels to love a girl. Swear I'd be a better man. I'd listen to her, 'cause I know how it hurts when you lose the one you wanted, 'cause he's taking you for granted and everything you had got destroyed. It's a little too late for you to come back. You said I'm just a mistake. I forgave you like that. You thought I would wait for you. You thought, you don't understand. Yeah, you don't understand how it feels to love a girl. I swear I'd be a better man. Yeah. I'd listen to her. You don't listen to words. You don't care how it hurts until you lose the one you wanted, 'cause he's taking you for granted. Everything got destroyed, but you're just amazing grace. How sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but